Finding the right PIC for your electronic national vendor declarations just got faster and smarter. This is how you do it in the website, but you'll find the functionality the same in the app. Log in to your eNVD. Start a new eNVD for livestock moving off your PIC. In the movement information screen, finding the destination PIC now has 3 options. If you select I've used this destination before, it drops down a list of the previous PICs where you've sent consignments. It'll show you up to 10 of your most recent livestock movements. If the one you're after is not there, enter part of the business name to narrow the list. Select and it fills in the details. If you don't have the PIC, click I have some details to look it up. Use any details you do know to bring up a list of possible PICs. Type of destination, state, town, postcode. Because PIC rules differ across the country, when you select the state, you'll get some hints. For example, in New South Wales, it will alert you that feedlots are classified as producers, so you'll need to select producer to find a feedlot's PIC. Adding a postcode is the easiest way to find the PIC you're after. Then click Apply and Search. The top matching PICs appear instantly, generating the first 10 matching options. The one you want's not showing? Start typing what you know of their business name to show results that match. Select your destination and it will automatically fill in the information for you. If you know the PIC, select this option. Then enter the destination PIC in this box. You'll need to enter the PIC number in its entirety. If you don't know the exact PIC, you can't use this feature. The same functionality applies wherever you need to enter a PIC. Down here if you're moving through an agent or third party, and back up the top if you are not the owner and you're consigning for a different owner. The improved search feature helps users find and confirm the destination more easily, using information from the National PIC Register. Which is why keeping PIC details up to date with your state or territory agricultural department is important. Whether on the farm, in the truck or at the destination, the enhanced PIC search makes livestock movements simpler, faster and more accurate. Check out the enhanced PIC search feature in eNVD, available on both web and app.